Lexus is Toyota's premium brand spinoff, and it is well known for a variety of reasons. They generally provide automobiles with eye-catching looks, zippy performance, and a big number of standard amenities. Purchasing a used Lexus car is an excellent method to obtain a premium vehicle on a tight budget. Going used means you won't have to worry about unexpected repairs because of the vehicle's historically high anticipated reliability. 2018 Lexus GX. When new, the 2018 Lexus GX landed near the bottom of our ranking for luxury midsize SUVs, but that didn't make it a bad option. Even now, the GX offers incredible off-roading capability thanks to its tall body, 8.1 inches of ground clearance, crawl control system, a locking center differential, and a high-tech four-wheel drive system. With a 301 horsepower 4.6-liter V8 engine, the GX rarely feels underpowered and can tow up to 6,500 pounds when properly equipped. Lexus packs the GX with all sorts of standard luxury features that include dual-zone automatic climate control, a moonroof, an 8-inch touchscreen, and a 9-speaker audio system. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay weren't available for 2018. 2019 Lexus UX Hybrid. 2019 was the first year Lexus sold the all-new UX Hybrid. With its subcompact size, 4-cylinder engine, and 2-electric motor layout, the UX Hybrid stood out because of its excellent fuel economy, estimates of 41 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. Those are impressive figures, especially when you consider the vehicle's standard all-wheel drive system. The UX Hybrid comes with an extensive list of standard safety features thanks to the Lexus Safety System 2.0 suite. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, road sign recognition, pedestrian detection, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane trace assist are all standard. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, named the 2019 UX Hybrid a top safety pick plus, their highest accolade. 2019 Lexus UX. Lexus introduced the 2019 UX as an all-new luxury subcompact SUV, and it landed in the middle of our ranking. Despite its lackluster acceleration and frustrating infotainment controls, the UX stands out for its spacious cargo area, comfortable ride, and excellent predicted reliability score. Behind the rear seats, the UX offers 21.7 cubic feet of cargo space, which is a good amount for the segment. The rear passenger area is tight, however. The UX comes with a strong list of standard features that include synthetic leather upholstery, keyless entry, 8-way power adjustable front seats, a 6-speaker audio system, smartphone compatibility, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. If you're looking to stand out with a sporty SUV, the available F Sport trim comes with a more aggressive design, larger alloy wheels, a sport-tuned suspension, and heavily bolstered front seats. 2018 Lexus LS. The 2018 Lexus LS has one of the lowest total cost of ownership scores on this list, but that mostly comes down to the class. Powerful engine choices and high depreciation drag down its total cost of ownership score. Beyond that hiccup, few vehicles can match the LS' excellent predicted reliability score, high-end cabin, and an extensive list of standard features. On the inside, the LS has an upscale cabin with spacious accommodations for all. Soft touch surfaces, luxurious materials, and a stunning design help the LS interior stand out. Additionally, the LS comes with leather upholstery, 16-way power adjustable front seats, heated and ventilated front seats, a moonroof, dual-zone climate control, and a 12.3-inch infotainment display is standard. As the most luxurious sedan in Lexus lineup, the LS certainly pampers its passengers. 2015 Lexus LX. When new, the 2015 Lexus LX placed near the top of our ranking for large luxury SUVs. While the LX lacks the same advanced driver assistance features and interior panache as its rivals, it has an outstanding predicted reliability score and exceptional off-roading capability. Every LX comes with a 4-wheel drive, hill start assists, crawl control, a multi-terrain select system, adaptive suspension, a limited slip differential, and a 383 horsepower V8 engine. Lexus offered the 2015 LX in a single well-equipped trim. While the LX doesn't have an especially handsome interior design, the cabin features high-end materials and is among the best fit and finish in the class. The LX also comes with a long list of standard features that includes leather upholstery, mahogany wood trim, a moonroof, and an 8-inch infotainment display. 2015 Lexus RC. With an aggressive design, a lineup of powerful engines, and agile handling, the 2015 Lexus RC placed in the upper half of our luxury small car ranking when new. The sports car's distracting infotainment system and relatively high total cost of ownership held it back from earning a higher score. As a coupe, the RC has tight rear seats and a small trunk, but these issues are par for the course for such a vehicle. The RC is available with two engines, a 3.5-liter V6 and a 5.0-liter V8. The standard 3.5-liter V6 engine makes 306 horsepower. The available V8 is rated at a healthy 467 horsepower. Both engines come with an 8-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. All-wheel drive and a 6-speed automatic are available for models with a V6 engine. The V8 engine is a gem but commands more money on the used market. 2016 Lexus Court Hybrid. In the luxury small car class, the 2016 Lexus CT Hybrid ranked at the very top when new. The CT Hybrid boasts excellent fuel economy figures, top-notch safety ratings, and a fantastic predicted reliability rating. When it comes to the total cost of ownership, the CT Hybrid has the best score of any used Lexus on this list. Power for the CT Hybrid comes from a 4-cylinder engine and 2 electric motors that produce 134 horsepower. While the small car feels sluggish on the highway, it's incredibly efficient, delivering class-leading fuel economy figures of 43 miles per gallon in the city and 40 miles per gallon on the highway. If you're looking for some sportiness, the available F Sport package adds a sport-tuned suspension, 17-inch alloy wheels, a large rear spoiler, and sporty interior and exterior elements. 2016 Lexus NX. In the competitive luxury compact SUV segment, the 2016 Lexus NX finished near the top of our ranking. There's little the NX gets wrong, with an attractive interior, spacious seats, and a comfortable ride. The NX also comes with an efficient yet peppy turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. Value is another one of the NX's strong suits, as the vehicle won our 2016 Best Luxury Compact SUV for the Money Award. The NX's cabin is one of the SUV's major highlights. An upscale design, high-quality materials, and high-end convenience features make the NX's interior a nice place for drivers and passengers. Synthetic leather upholstery, 8-way power front seats, keyless entry, dual-zone automatic climate control, and a rear-view camera are standard. Be warned though, the NX's optional upgraded infotainment system can be difficult to operate. 2016 Lexus IS. The 2016 Lexus IS was our top-ranking vehicle in the luxury small car class. The IS stands out thanks to its balanced ride, high-end cabin, and wealth of features. Standard equipment on the IS includes dual-zone automatic climate control, a 7-inch display, 2 USB ports, push-button start, synthetic leather upholstery, a moonroof, and 8-way power front seats. Lexus offers 2016 IS with 2 different engines. A turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine is standard, while a 3.5-liter V6 is available. The base engine produces 241 horsepower, while the available V6 is rated at 306 horsepower. While the turbocharged engine has plenty of power for everyday use, the V6 is the livelier choice. All-wheel drive is available with both engines. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.